Hey YouTube, today I'll be opening the X Mewtwo, is that what it's called? The Mega Mewtwo X Blister pack, and it comes with 3 packs and a little pin. Let's see if I can focus right there. Okay, well, I'll be opening this, so let's get started. One pack, plastic, 2 packs, and pin. So this is what the pin looks like. Pretty cool pin. I like to put these on my backpack. Okay, and then we have the XY breakthrough, another breakthrough, and another breakthrough. So start with this one. There's the little for the online game, 3 and 2. Let's start. Looks like Paraz. So we got Panseer, Axew, which is really cute, little Axew, Remoraid, Pikachu, Trainer Skyla, Shwipa, no, what am I saying, it's Spupa, you can't even read, Spupa, Snorlax, and my reverse holographic is a Trainer Professor's letter, and my rare is a Staraptor, not Straptor. So then next one, this is like the Mega Mewtwo Y, I think that's what it's called. I don't know, I'm not caught up with the new Pokemon. And 1, 2, 3, and 2. And we're starting off with a Staryu, Skiddo, Bronzor, Meowth, Zorua. I know this one's like, I forgot what region this one's in, but I know it. I just get in the middle of the frame. There we go. Pinsir, Go-Go. Well, that's kind of cool. I haven't seen that one before. Kulava, reverse holographic Trainer Assault Vest, and my rare is a Vanillix. Okay. Last one. Hopefully I get a good rare or something and not reverse holographic trainers. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Looks like a Ralts, Noibat, Magnemite, I'm sorry, Piplup, Pansage, Dedenne? Is this like the one that's like an electric, I've heard about it, it's like an electric chipmunk or something like that. An Energy, a Floret. Oh, that one's so cute. Look at it. So cute. Last one. Hopefully I get a good rare or something and not reverse holographic trainers. Another trainer as my reverse holographic. This one's the Houndoom Spirit Link. And my rare is a Cresselia. So my rare was a Vanillux, Staraptor, and a Cresselia. And my reverse holographics were all trainer cards. I got these trainer cards, which is kind of lame. But it's okay. I just bought this for the pin, to be honest. Just the pin. So I'm okay with it. So that's all the Pokemon card openings I have for now. I'll try to go out and buy some more cards. I don't know what video after this I'll upload, but hopefully I'll upload a video soon. And I'll see you guys later. Bye! I love this. I'm just going to wear this to work now. No one's going to say anything. I'm just going to go to work like this. Go out in public. Love it.